Stacey, Sales Director at CTi Living. Let me tell you a little bit about what makes us different. We're a family-owned company, which means that we treat your business like it's ours. Whether you're a greenhouse, an IGC, a retailer, a distributor, your success is our mission. At CTi, we don't just take orders, we build solutions. There's no better feeling than helping a client hit a big delivery window from end to end flawlessly. Your dedicated team at CTi learns your business inside and out, from your market needs to your display preferences. Our fast, proactive support from color selection, planograms, or custom packing, no request is too big or too small. Need help picking the right colors? Matching your shelf set? We're on it. Looking for optimization for your grower shipping racks? Done. From tools to help you sell, such as trend guides, product reviews, and data-backed recommendations, we're always learning from our own markets across North America and European trends. Our favorite moments? When we help you launch a bestseller and execute an on-time delivery together. CTi is here to grow with you, season after season, providing consistency and great grower and retail options for years to come. We've got you covered, and we just can't wait to get started together.